Well, this should be fun. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Robbie Sucks. Today we're working on a 2023 Subaru Crosstrek. I got my boy
Carson.
Oh, he's with me today. We're gonna put on a brush guard. Check it out.
So basically today we're going to be installing a small brush bar and some floodlights on the front of the Subi. So nothing too crazy. Hopefully it won't take us a long time, but we'll see.
So I haven't worked on these yet. The Crosstrek. Pretty excited about it. I think the whole front clip has to come off, though.
The entire front. Yep.
Yeah!
Yes!
That's gonna be great. Okay, I think it's right.
Yep.
Okay. Get everything under here now. Okay. No. Give me the thingy.
So one more?
Yeah, there's one more holding it. We're coming forward. It's the farmost one for like your pseudo tire flap.
Oh, that's right. Cool.
We have to do some lights or connectors. Stay. Does it feel like it's hanging up? Rope clip. Usually tied it. How'd you mount it? Alright, I got it.
Alright, motherfucker.
I got it. There we go. Yeah.
Nice.
Victory screech! Oh! Alright, part one's done. We got the bumper off. Great success. We're gonna do a celebratory sip. And now we're gonna do some bracket mounting, and then we'll put the bumper back on, secure everything, and then install the bar. And I think you want to do lights today as well?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Lights, wiring, all that.
Alright, cool. Check it out. Drilling. Should be.
Nice.
Should be that. Hey, how's that fit?
Outstanding.
Put it in. First try. Why are you here? Frankie, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
Why are you here? Oh. He's got hit in the face, Frankie.
Frankie, no!
What are you doing? That looks a lot better. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
I'm proud of you. Whoa! Look at that!
Look at that!
Look at that!
Look at that!
Just look at that. So here it is, temp installed, L brackets in, full bar here. Now this will come back off now that we know that we have a proper placement. So we'll tighten these down now, remove this, put the bumper back on, reinstall this, and then get ready to mount some lights. Gotta say, that looks pretty good, man. This could be a little aggressive. I like it. All right, so we're gonna route this wiring harness now, and you've got a relay that we have to install.
Yep.
Looks
Relay.
And then what is this?
I took the cover off of it just to see how it ran, since it's two separate. It's like a daylight running and then the floodlight itself.
Do you want to put the cover back on before you install it in the cab?
So we're gonna snip it here.
Okay.
Get rid of this whole thing, and then I have a separate switch to install that actually mounts inside the OEM trim.
Oh, okay.
Of the yeah.
Okay, cool.
So
all right, yeah, let's ride it first. Let's start working the inside.
Yep.
Cool. Start to sailing. It's been like 12 minutes on the same bolt, brother.
Far too long.
Well. Would you look at that?
Pretty sturdy.
We got ourselves a nice little, I don't know if I'd call this just a brush guard, more just like a light bar.
It's a light bar.
A light bar with extra oomph. Up next is the lights. Hardware.
Hardware. We got.
Those lights are huge. I thought they
Can
were
we tell I'm overcompensating?
I thought they were smaller.
Dude, hell yeah.
Hell dang, man. Actually doesn't look too bad. I thought they were gonna look like Mickey Mouse ears on the front of your car here, but actually those are.
No, it's not too bad.
Those actually they're pretty nice. All right, hit it. Oh, cool. So they got two settings.
Yeah, got daylight running, and then the full flood. So.
Yeah, the daylight running are just the bottom row.
Yeah. And then the full flood.
Yeah, that's awesome. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's episode of Robbie Sucks. We got the lights installed, we got the light bar installed. It does not look as bad as I thought it was going to. I think it accents the Subaru really well. Yeah. And it was a lot easier of a job than I thought it was going to be. Mm-hmm. It could have sucked, but it's okay to suck.
Just don't give up.
Just don't give up. That's right. Like, subscribe, keep coming back for Robbie Sucks. If you want to support the channel, hit up RobbieSucksStore.com. And I'll see you next time. Peace! Peace! Robbie Sucks. Today I'm working on this 2023 Subaru Crosstrek with my boy
Carson.